Hey, this is Tegan Mackey at KOC Outdoors. Today, we're going to go over what makes a Galyean, especially compared to other competitive brands. Starting off with my favorite piece, it's all covered with an epoxy primer. This paint is built to last. Rub it, beat it, bang it, back up to the chute, put 20 cows, put 2 cows. You're not going to get down to bare metal on this trailer. The amount of rust you'll see after 10 years of owning this trailer is almost nothing, especially compared to some of the brands that don't use the primer like Galyean does. Another big option that Galyean has that's standard on their equipment is the one-piece fender. Starting right here all the way down to where your beams going across connect is one piece. You won't see welding at those welds that go down there because there are none. You won't see welds breaking out because there are none. It's a quality built sturdy trailer that's meant to last, and that's where the premium side comes into a Galyean trailer. Of course, along with that, they only do torsion axles. They've been heavily preferred in our market thus far, and we love the longevity and durability you get with a torsion axle. Make your way back here. Your cut gates are built strong and sturdy. We always order ours with the movable front cut. Allows the customer a chance to change the way a trailer is connected, the way a trailer is oriented, and also that front cut can tie across for a smaller gap for dogs, calves, anything that might need just a little bit of space and you don't lose your total capacity. Of course, Galyean does a phenomenal set of load lights, dome lights that most manufacturers will use a cheaper product. Galyean makes sure that that's something that's going to last just as long as the durably built trailer will. We've taken great pride in selling Galyean trailers, and we hope that you will come and see them with us and hopefully get your next one behind your truck.